Been doing a lot of LED lighting upgrades on my 95 Cobra to really modernize the car, plus make it a lot safer at night to drive. Now recently we installed a set of smoked headlights which do actually have a little bit less light output than the factory setup does, so we will change those bulbs to LED at some point in the future, but for today we're going to start by swapping in LED fog light bulbs. These Type 880 LED fog light bulbs from Diode will be a direct replacement for the factory fog light bulbs in your 94 through 04 GT, your 94 through 01 Cobra, and your 03 through 04 Mach 1. They're going to be direct replacements for the factory bulbs, making them a plug-and-play install. This is one of those installs that is really easy to do, requires no tools, but is really difficult to see, so you're just going to basically have to trust me. And to swap these out, all you're going to do is get under the car, reach your hand up behind the fog light, follow the harness, simply turn it, pull it out, and swap bulbs. Like I said, you follow the wiring harness, you'll reach up straight behind here, turn it counterclockwise, pull out the factory bulb. We'll swap in the new LED and put it back into place. Turn it clockwise to lock it in and repeat the process on the other side. Here's a quick comparison before we swap out the driver's side. As you can see, I mean, night and day difference. Honestly, it makes the headlights look really dim, but again, we will upgrade those in the future. But yeah, the LED fog light swap, very simple to do, and as you can see, huge results. The Diode fog light bulbs in the 95 Cobra are a night and day difference as far as brightness, especially with the cool blue light. They look more modern as well. They really make the headlight bulbs look dated, so we'll get those swapped out very soon. But as far as installation goes, probably one of the easiest things you can do. Give yourself 5 minutes, back on the road in no time.